All right, friends, so here is another 2 by 2 digit multiplication problem with a rectangular array, or otherwise known as an area model. This question's a little different, and you'll see why after reading it. So why don't you pause this video, read it, and then make sure you're using your steps to solve what the question is asking you. When you're done, I will go over it with you. All right, so now that you've had time to work this out, we're going to read it first. Mallory is solving 54 times 39 using an area model. What is the missing number she needs to solve? I see I have multiple choice here. I also see that I have an area model, a rectangular array, and it's partially filled in. So look, they've done the work for us, but let's go back to the question. What is the missing number? Okay, here's your important thing. We see this box, we're not sure right here. We've got to figure that out in order to solve. So what I'm going to do is, I know an area model is based off of your two numbers here. So 54 and 39. So what I have to do is break this apart. I have to say 54 and 39. I have to break it up. So if we're multiplying like a multiplication chart, I have to make sure I'm setting them where they go. So I'm going to try it this way first. I'm going to say 50 and 4 and 30 and 9. Okay, so I know that 5 times 3, that is 15, right? And I add 2 zeros. And in this box, 30 times 4. Well, I got a problem. 3 times 4 is 12. And add a 0, it's 120. So this isn't right. So I have to flip this back around. So it must be the other way. And then I'm going to find my answer to this box. So now I'm going to put 30 and 9 here, and 50 and 4. Well, let's see if this makes a little more sense. So for the boxes I do know, 50 times 30. 5 times 3 is 15, yep. And then I've got 2 zeros to add, and here they are, 1, 2. So 50 times 30 is 1,500. Now I go to this box, 9 times 50. This looks a little better. 9 times 5 is 45. I have that here. And then I only need 1 0. So this box is equal, 9 times 50 is equal to 450. So we're good. 9 times 4 is going to equal 36. So that box is also true. So now all I have to do is solve for 30 times 4. Remember, if you're not sure how to read a rectangular array or an area model, your marker is going to fall over this box. So this marker lines up with 30 and 4. Okay, so 30 times 4. That's going to give me, well, 4 times 3 is what? 12. And I only have 1 0 I have to add back. So I look to my answer choices, and I see that 120 is an answer choice.